Today I'm in a nice large one-bedroom apartment in the Pilsen neighborhood. The living room here, nice wood floors. This is the front unit, nice and bright. And again, the high ceilings really make a big difference here. Nice big living room. The kitchen has room for a dining room table if you want to do an eat-in dining room table. I don't know why that would not work. Gas furnace, so gas forced heat. Nice entry closet as you walk in here. Over here, the bathroom, tub and shower combination. Still need to be cleaned. The people have just moved out. That'll be fixed. One more look at the living room.